Techsperience is designed for high school students and students that are going to technical schools to show them what is Penske, a little peek behind the curtain of our technology and what Penske offers as a company.
I challenge you today to be engaged, ask a ton of questions, all right? So as we continue to grow, we need to bring in more technicians into the organization.
This is what we have on the intake shop turbo right now. You apply stop air to it, fills it up, and you're able to then seal the system.
There's 2 speakers on each side of the boom so that it actually listens to not only my voice, but the noise around me as well.
It's an opportunity for the tech schools that we've built great partnerships with to come in and see what we're doing from an innovation standpoint, a maintenance standpoint, and a technology standpoint.
I get to visit a lot of different employers, and what I see at Penske is they have a track for someone to come here entry level and just keep doing some work, keep learning, and then they can grow with the company. Hopefully, be here to retire.
You're going to slide across. If this section right here, which is about 1/8 of an inch, you slide across one tire, not the other, it means that tire is too small.
It just seems like a really great place to work. They offer tools, help.
It seems really relieving to look at a nice clean toolbox and to think that if I ever came here, it'd be nice and organized. All of this shop being nice and organized too.
On the vehicle, some are on the driver's side. Stroking the brakes.
I feel like there's a lot of growth in the company. Everybody I talk to has went through 5 different positions, and I'm looking for a career.
Well, because now my hands are free because I don't have a piece of paper.
I don't know how you come to an event like this as a future technician at a high school or a technical school and go, how is this not an organization that I want to work for? When you take a look at the technology, the training, all the expertise that we have, this is a place that you can absolutely have a long, fruitful career.